coming up, I have some students which we are doing pie chart today and might need a bit of help. So here's the video of the pie chart. And we're constructing pie chart with some children eating those fruits. So let's see what we have. We need to, for drawing a pie chart, we need some tools there. My compasses, we should be familiar with them, with my new friend. It's been fun. And then we need our projector. This is my half circle projector, semicircle projector. And we need ruler as well. So these are the things we need for the pie chart. So before we start, yes, we need to get some data from those. So for the time, I printed the data for me here. So pie chart, yes. So we have 10 people who like apple, banana, 3 like grapes, and 18 who like orange. So I will add them up on the side first. So 10 plus 5, I do it slowly, bear with mind. And then plus 3, we get to 18, and then plus the orange, we get to 36. I'm happy, so this is 36. Then I think about the whole circle. One round is 360 degrees. So in that case, I got 36 people here. Each person will take out 1 degree. Each person will take out 10 degrees. So if that is the case, so we have 10 times 10 degrees, I got 100 degrees. 5 times 10, and then that takes up 50 degrees. I'm doing the same thing, 30 and 180 degrees. Just in case, I need to add them to make sure I got all the angles correct. So then I come up with my calculator. You should do it. You could do it by hand. I'm using a GCSE calculator here. Okay, switch it on. Okay, is it on? Can you see that it's on? Yes, this side is better. All right, so with that, I will add 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 180. All right, 4 numbers equal up. I got 360. Now I am happy. So 360 is our whole foot circle, and then I got my 360 for total. Now I'm happy. I have all the angles. With that, I need to draw my circle here. Pie chart, we need a circle. So I got my center here. Open my compasses to a certain length. Pin right there. Stress on the pin. And holding the tip there. This is the tip I'm holding. Alright, and I swing it elegantly. For some of the students, I learned it from my past student. It's like, if this doesn't work, get on the pin, draw, and then you spin the paper, you will still get the same results. So this is my center there. I will draw one line, the starting line. So I have my center to the side. This becomes the first radius. We're using a lot of radius there. Remember in the previous video, part of the circle, radius, is from the center to the side. Alright, I'm measuring my 100 degree. Oh no, actually I'm using the 180 first because this is the bigger portion. And 180 degree, center at the cross, start from 0. 180 is half of the circle. So I draw this line first. Make sure they are straight, otherwise it doesn't get in there. Okay, and this is orange. Alright, and 180 degree. Alright, and then I put a tick on it because I've done it. I'm very careless with those. Alright, and then I draw 30 degree. So let's start with any point, any side. So center is still the point. Center. I'm reading it from the outside because this is the 0 is from the outside, so it's 30. I will draw 2 points, so a little arc there, and then 30. Because if I put a point there, I walk away, I will forget. So this is my point. Yeah. So this is 30 degree. Quickly write it down because I will forget again. And this is grape. All right, 30 degree with the grapes, and I need 50 degree. So now I don't measure from here anymore. I turn. Starting there because this is taken by grapes. So I'm drawing it here. Again, center at the cross. And the intersect. Center of the projector is the center of the circle. And then we find outside the circle. 0 is at the outside, so I count outside there, the red one. 10, 30, 40, 50, 50 here. I moved it, so I hold on to it. All right. And then I will draw an arc there. All right, again, another radius from the center to the side. Quickly write down is 50 degree. So I have 180 for the orange, 30 for the grapes, and 50 for the banana, which Minion like it. Banana, 50 degree. I should have 10 degree for apple, which is our last sector. So I have apple. And this should be 100 degree. But just in case, let's check that. So I have my center. This time the 0 is inside the black one, so I measured it. Up to here, I'm reading the center, the inner, the black reading is 100 degree. So I have my lovely pie chart done. If you like to, you can color it, but I will leave that to you. If you have any ideas, let's leave a message at the comments section. Like, share, and subscribe will be great, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.